Meet the all-new POCO M8 Pro, the ultimate budget all-rounder. It boasts a sleek, modern look, a vibrant AMOLED display, lightning fast performance, and an incredible camera system that captures every detail beautifully. All this power and style come together in one affordable package. If you want top features without breaking the bank, the POCO M8 Pro is your go-to phone. Hi everyone, Amit here. I am back with another hands-on review. This time the brand new POCO M8 Pro. I have been using it daily for over a week, testing everything from its display and performance to the camera and the battery life. Now I am excited to share my honest impressions with you all. The POCO M8 Pro is loaded with impressive features, a powerful Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset, a gorgeous 6.83-inch Crystal Res AMOLED display, a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, IP68 rated dust and water resistance, and a huge 6500 mAh battery backed by 100-watt fast charging. There is plenty more to explore and I will break it all down in this video. So without further ado, let's start. The POCO M8 Pro has a great design. Right from the first touch, it feels premium and well made. The frame and finish both look and feel high quality. At just 205 grams, it is light enough for all-day comfort, yet solid enough to feel durable. The balanced weight distribution makes it easy to hold, whether you are scrolling, shooting photos, or gaming. It is a phone that looks sharp and feels even better in hand. Additionally, with an IP68 rating, it is protected against dust and splashes, adding a welcome layer of everyday durability. POCO M8 Pro has IR Blaster for controlling your daily home appliances. The POCO M8 Pro truly shines with its expansive 6.83-inch display, delivering a flagship-level visual experience that is uncommon in this price range. With a sharp 1.5K resolution and a pixel density of 447 ppi, it keeps distractions to a minimum while offering maximum immersion. A sleek, modern look and an impressively generous viewing area that makes everything from videos to games pop. The display is an absolute showstopper, peaking at 3200 nits of brightness. It delivers vivid colors, deep blacks and razor-sharp details that stay clear even under harsh sunlight. Whether you are watching videos, gaming or just browsing, the visuals remain rich, smooth and deeply immersive. The POCO M8 Pro steps up your viewing experience with Widevine L1 certification, so you get crisp HD streaming on Netflix and other major platforms. The front is shielded by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, giving it solid protection against scratches and accidental drops. Plus, with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 480Hz touch sampling rate, everything feels buttery smooth and instantly responsive, whether you are swiping, gaming or scrolling. The POCO M8 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset, built on a 4nm process for enhanced efficiency and power. Combined with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage, it ensures snappy, lag-free performance whether you are browsing social media, juggling apps or launching games. Everything feels fluid and responsive, and the benchmark scores back up its real-world performance, proving it is more than capable of handling everyday tasks with ease. Now, let's talk about the gaming, one of the POCO M8 Pro's real strengths. Over the past week, I have put it through its paces with demanding titles like Genshin Impact, BGMI and Call of Duty Mobile. Consistently stable frame rates, smooth gameplay and minimal hiccups, even during extended sessions. For a device in this segment, the level of performance is seriously impressive. The POCO M8 Pro features a capable camera system led by a 50-megapixel primary sensor with bright 1.6 aperture, ideal for capturing low-light shots. The main camera performs really well for the phone in this price range. It captures sharp, detailed photos in good lighting and even offers a usable 2x zoom thanks to in-sensor cropping. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide mode on the POCO M8 Pro lets you capture some genuinely striking shots, especially when you need that extra field of view. The dynamic range holds up well and the color processing is pleasing, with natural tones and good consistency. Upfront, the 32-megapixel selfie camera nails natural skin tones while offering smart beauty enhancements, delivering sharp, flattering selfies in all kinds of lighting. For video, the POCO M8 Pro records up to 4K at 30 fps using the main rear camera, and with OIS in play, the footage stays steady, clear and smooth even when you are on the move. It's more than enough for everyday vlogging or social media content. The POCO M8 Pro runs HyperOS 2 on Android 15 right out of the box, delivering a clean, fluid and highly responsive user experience. Navigation feels effortless whether you are multitasking or just swiping through apps. Security is seamless too, thanks to a flagship level in-display fingerprint scanner that is both quick and precise. The POCO M8 Pro's 6500 mAh battery is a true workhorse, easily powering through a full day of moderate use without breaking a sweat. Even under heavy loads like gaming and streaming, it delivers around 6.1 hours of screen on time, which is outstanding for its class. Paired with the included 100-watt charger, it goes from 0 to 100% in just 65 minutes. So you are never left waiting long. It also supports up to 22.5-watt reverse charging, handy for giving a quick power boost to your earbuds, smartwatch, or even a friend's phone in a pinch. The POCO M8 Pro delivers a standout audio-visual experience with its stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos support. Whether you are binge-watching shows or streaming movies, the sound is rich and deeply immersive, bringing scenes to life with cinematic depth. With a volume boost of up to 400%, your audio stays powerful, clear, and deeply engaging, whether you are watching, gaming, or listening. And that's a wrap. Honestly, the POCO M8 Pro has been an outstanding daily driver for me. It packs a seriously powerful processor, a vivid and responsive AMOLED display, a capable camera system, smooth gaming performance, and battery life that lasts all day. If you are looking for the best value right now, the POCO M8 Pro is absolutely the one to grab. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have got any questions about the POCO M8 Pro or feedback on my review, drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay safe and I will see you in my next video.